Come on, buddy. Don't get distracted. Focus. Hey, baby. Cross the bridge. You're going sideways. Oh my goodness. You think we have a dreamer here? One who's easily distracted. Where could he possibly have gotten that from? Charlie, stop standing and come crawl over here across the bridge. Okay. Your cuteness has salvaged. Good work, buddy. It sure is funny standing up on the bridge. Okay. More later.